Hello once again. Good morning, my live good family, and welcome back to my channel. This is Jericho Irinco, also known as si Daddy Chick TV, ang daddy ng bayan. And for today's video, this is gonna be a tutorial. Yes, you heard it right. This is gonna be a tutorial para sa ating mga live good business partner on how are you going to log in on your back office. Yes, you heard it right. On your first 48 hours as a new affiliate in Live Good, it must, yeah, it must you familiarize the back office para magawa po natin ng tama po yung live good. So in this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to log in on your back office dito po sa live good. So let me share to you the screen. Anong nangyari? Ayan, okay, sorry. Uh, Medyo nag-large siya kanina. So i-ano ko lang, i-minimize ko lang yung aking camera para makita po natin yung ating what do you call this? Demonstrations. So in here, it's www.livegood.com/login. Okay? Ito po 'yon. So ito po yung isusulat po natin an hour dyan po sa ating kung gamit po niyo po ay cellphone or kung gamit niyo po ay laptop, yun po ang ilalagay natin sa ating browser. So, and of course, using your username and password, login po tayo in your account. So, in here, my username is si Daddy Chick TV and of course, my password is confidential. Alright, so login po tayo. Here you go. So, ito na po yung back office po natin. I-minimize pa ba natin yung camera natin? I-minimize pa natin ng konti. Okay. So, para makita nyo. Um, okay. Dito natin ilagay ang camera natin. Alright. So, or pwedeng dito na lang. Ayan. Okay. So, side siya na. Medyo magulo si Daddy J. Okay. Alright. So, nakalagin na po tayo sa ating back office. So, in here, it's home. Ano bang laman ng home? Of course, itong back office na to. Ito as is. Then, of course, my membership. Tingnan po natin, kailan po ba nag-join si Daddy Jake or ano po ba ang due date ni Daddy Jake. So, membership, congratulations on being a member of Live Good. You are on our monthly membership program. Your monthly billing date is in the 16th of the month. So, it's very important na malaman po natin kung ano po yung ating subscription renewal per month para hindi po tayo mawala sa matrix. Tama? So, as you can see here, you have paid your membership for the following months, April and May. So, naka-advance po ang inyong lingkod para kung hindi natin makaligtaan. So, in every cut-off of every month, di ba may apat tayong cut-off kasi weekly ang ating income here in Live Good. So, kahit isa doon, nagkiklik na ako for the renewal. Kaya nagiging advance po talaga siya. So, and mas maganda rin po na gawin nyo po yon para hindi po natin makaligtaan. And of course, the next one is the shop. Ano po yung laman ng shop? Of course, yung ating mga products dyan sa Live Good. So, in everything here, kung gusto nyo pong ma-familiarize, you can just browse it, o click the learn more para alam natin kung para saan ba itong Bioactive Complete Multivitamin for Men. And if we want to order, pwede nyo pong i-add to cart o click natin. And you can, mababasa natin dito yung description para saan po ba siya. And good thing with Live Good is meron siyang comparison ng price from Live Good to other company na nagbebenta din po ng the same product. So, same na same, pero sobrang ibang-iba ang presyo. So, doon pa lang makikita mo na you are blessed that you are here with Live Good. So, the next one is the My Information. Ano yung laman ng My Information? So, as you can see here, this is my Live Good ID number, my information, my cellphone number, and everything there. Nandyan po yung payment ko din, informations, and of course, yung shipping address if we had an order with, pag nag-order po tayo ng products. So, everything is in here, and ito po ay editable. Editable po ito. If you really want to change, kunyari, yung username or password nyo, just click here. Yan. And you can type here. Change nyo po yan. Okay? So, pwede nyo po yan i-delete tapos palitan. Tapos, click, of course, um, save para sa information. So hindi ko na po yan papalitan kasi as is naman. So for just for a demo, for demonstration lang. Okay, in here what's next? Order history. Ano ang laman ng order history? So kung makikita nyo po, kailan po simulang mag-join sa Good? February 16 lang. February 16. So ngayon ay April 20, February, March, April. So, 2 buwan pa lang po tayo. And we become gold already. So, mamaya gagawa po ako ng iba pang tutorial para po malaman natin paano naging mabilis yung pag-rank up natin sa Live Good. So, in order history, you will see here all of your orders. So, mapa-product man po yan o renewal. So, as you can see, wala pa po akong pending product order, no? So, lahat po yan renewal pa lang po ng ating subscription. So, nung March 6, nag-renew tayo ng 9.95 and nung March 15, nag-renew ulit tayo ng 9.95 and nung April 3, nag-renew tayo. So, again, bakit tayo nag-renew in advance? Para maiwasan po natin na matanggal sa matrix. Alright? So, may laman naman po yung wallet natin. So, ang gawin natin is i-ano na natin, i-renew natin yung ating subscription. And of course, my team. So in here, makikita mo dito who are the people in your organization. So nandyan po ang genealogy. So and those people under your organization, nyo po yan sa View Enroller 3. Ayan, so as you can see personally enrolled customers ko, ibig sabihin yung direct referral ko are 19 pa lang. 19 pa lang. My target is 100 direct referral within 2023. So this year. So, kung titingnan po natin, those are the people under my organization. And yung matrix view list din po natin, makikita rin po natin dyan. Kung ano na po yung level na na-fill up natin. Alright? So, mamaya magka-cut off, so magbabago pa po yan. And then, power line view natin, makikita rin po natin dyan. So, there are 173,741 members have joined after you in the power line. So, yan po ay nasa power line po. Hindi ibig sabihin po lahat ng nasa power line ay magiging downline nyo po yan. So, pero sooner or later, ang mas maganda po is nakalock in na po kayo. So, global naman po ang ating spillover. So, let's go to my referrals. Dito po sa my referrals, you can see here all of course lahat ng mga nag-pre-enroll at nag-lock in ho sa inyo. So, mamomonitor nyo po yan. Don't worry about kasi kung makikita nyo, Pilipino naman siya, bakit nangyari ibang bansa ang mga flag nila. So, as you can see sa pre-enroll kasi natin, ang ini-encode lang naman are names and email address. So, the moment na mag-lock in po yan, magko-correct na po ang flag niyan into Philippines kasi updated na po yung kanyang mga data. Alright? So, quick ano lang po ito, quick tour lang po ito. And malalaman mo din who are your enrollers. So, sino yung apply natin, sino ang mga people on top of our organization. So, as you can see here, my upline, my direct upline is Coach Edmar Torcolas, all the way from, excuse me, Cebu City. And my upline platinum leader is, of course, the very, 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 very supportive upline Coach Velma Sabulao. And may upline diamond, ang sobrang napakasipag na talaga nakikita natin gabi-gabi na nagpa-facilitate ng Zoom presentation natin. Of course, Applied Diamond leader, Coach Fernan Santiago. So, alright. Importante pong alam po natin yan kung sino-sino po yung mga tao na dapat natin pasalamatan. Because of course, gratitude, dapat pinapractice po natin yan. It should be in our attitude para malayo po ang ating marating. Alright? So, my referrals and my enroller leaderboard, who are the people in the leaderboard. These are the people na talagang humahataw. As you can see here, sino nagsasabing mahirap mag-direct? Tingnan niyo naman, Jeffrey Aman, 627 direct referral. And we have here Filipinos in our 100 top 100 global. Nandyan po ang ating tawag dito, Coach Velma Savulao on the 34th slot. And on the 35, Coach Fernando Santiago. So, hindi po talaga dito nauna-una-huli. Kasi as you can see, Coach Fernando Santiago is the 001 in the Philippines. And Coach Vilma Sabulao is his downline. And a week after pa ata nakapag-join nito si Coach Vilma Sabulao. So, hataw talaga. Kaya sa lahat ng mga new affiliates na bagong pasok, huwag yung sabihin na nauna kami dito. So, ibig sabihin kami yung marami agad. No. The moment na hinataw nyo po, the moment you follow the system, automatically, you can be one of the top here and live good. So, mayroon pa po tayo dito sa baba. Of course, Coach Harold Pangan. It's in here. Yan, Harold Pangan. It's in slot number 89 with 58 direct. And I think Coach Harold Pangan now is also a diamond. So, bilisan po natin. Ayan. Okay, so tinor ko lang po kayo. And what else? Ano yung laman ng ating back office is the website. O pupunta ho tayo dito sa my website. We have 3 websites here. Upon enrolling po natin, binigyan po tayo ng 3 website ni Live Good. And the first website we have is a Live Good site na kung saan this site is where you send people, you are telling about our products and how they can save money as a member. It shows both the member pricing and the retail pricing. So people can choose if they want to become a member and save or if they just want to pay the retail price for products. They can also join as an affiliate on the site. However, the main focus on the site is the products. Okay? So saan naman ngayon kinukuha yung landing page na pinapadala natin para makapag-pre-enroll ang mga prospects natin? Ito po yun. The Power Landing Page. This site is where you send people who you are telling about our power line and business opportunity. From here, they can see the 5-minute video presentation and fill in their information to become a pre-enroll in our system. So ito po yung landing page po natin. Alright? So what else? The other retail site is ito po yung isa po. So ito yung importante na kailangan makuha po natin in order for us to make it send to our Facebook friends. So, ikakopy lang po natin yan. Ikakopy lang po natin yan. So, you can just copy the link and send it to your friends on your Facebook. Punta lang po tayo dito sa Messenger. So, ayan. Pili po kayo sino po ba yung mga friends natin na padadalhan natin. So, mas maganda as many as you can. So, yun po talaga because network marketing is a number games. Okay? So, guys, again, ito po yung paano po makuha ang landing page. Ito po yon. Ito po yung landing page natin. And next one is of course the yung webinar schedule po natin is weekly po yan. Makikita po natin yan dito. If you wanna attend some trainings international, yan po, nakalagay din po dyan yung Zoom. Okay? And of course, yung statistics, paano natin malalaman if you really work talaga? Nagtatrabaho nga ba talaga tayo? You can check it here, the source of statistics. Meaning, ito po yung araw na kayo po ay nag-share talaga ng inyong Live Good landing pages. So, the moment you share your landing page, the more you will get people that will join in your organization. So, nandito, numbers never lie. Kung wala tayong sinishare na landing page, don't expect that our organization will grow. Okay? Please do not get offended on what I said ha, kasi that's the reality. Real talk po yan. So, kumbaga parang sa sari-sari store, kailangan buksan mo ang iyong tindahan para may bumili. Okay? Kasi kung may sari-sari store ka pero laging nakasara, wala pong benta. So, i-shout out mo ang iyong business as a Live Good. You put it in your Facebook, like as you can see here in my Facebook. So, kung makikita niyo po dito, ang ating profile are more on Live Good po yan. So, as you can see here, ayan, nakapin po yan. Pin post. Pwede pala tayo kumita ng thousands of dollars kahit nasa bahay lang. Yeah. And those, ito po, nandyan din po yung aking pictures. Okay? So, yun guys, part of our presentation. So, number never lie, makikita nyo dyan sino ang mga nag-pre-enroll, sino ang mga nag-lock-in. Tingnan mo dito, nung Sunday, nakapag-send ako ng 19, walang nag-pre-enroll pero may nag-lock-in. Even here, siyam ang nag-visit, walang nag-pre-enroll pero may nag-lock-in. Dito may nag-lock-in, may nag-pre-enroll pero walang nag-lock-in. Oh, so kung titingnan mo may mga nag-pre-enroll, walang nag-lock-in. So massive lang talaga kailangan natin ginagawa ang business natin every day. Okay? So my earnings, ito naman po yung ating my earnings. So dito naman makikita natin kung magkano yung mga kinikita po natin. Alright? So I'm gonna teach you how also to set up your wallet about it. Okay? And of course, yung contact us, makikita mo naman ho dito ang ating head office. And of course, yan, log out na po yan. And what are other informations that we will found in our back office? the pay plan, yung compensation plan. Paano nga ba tayo binabayaran ni Live Good? So, ito po yung reference po natin. Ayan. So, earn income 6 ways to earn, weekly fast start commission, pinag-uusapan, dinidiscuss po yan ni Coach Fernan and Coach Ferds during a Zoom, matrix commissions, and of course, we have the matching bonus and the retail commissions, everything, the influencer bonus, the diamond pool, and of course, ito naman po yung ating details on rank advancement. So, dito po natin makikita ano yung mga requirements para tayo ay ma-promote. So, in the bronze, you must have 2 personally enrolled active members. And the silver must have 10 personally enrolled active members plus a total of 20 active members on your team, or 3 separate enrolled and 3 leagues, each with a bronze rank affiliate plus a total of 20 active members in your team, and so on and so forth. So this is just an illustration, a demonstration. You can just browse it and you can just learn, and the other qualifications for rank up, other requirements for rank up. Okay? And of course, we have this, the privacy policy. Yan, the copy of the privacy policy. Yan, naka-PDF po yan. So, at least, mayroon alam natin. And the terms and conditions also, we have that in our back office. So, para malinaw, you can read it para alam natin yung mga terms and conditions, yung mga limitations po natin with Live Good. Okay? And what else? We have the refund policy. Diba? So, this is the only company that has a refund policy. As you can see naman, na may mention po to ni Sir Ben Glansky during our doon sa 5 minutes free tour natin sa landing page natin. And this is the only company na nagpo-post po ng certificate of analysis ng products. So, sobrang nakaka-proud kasi as you can see here, all of our products here has a certificate of analysis. Although hindi naman ho tayo mga chemical engineer, hindi natin maiintindihan, hindi natin mababasa talaga to. But then some other people will understand about it. Ano yung point kung bakit nilagay po nila to dito? So ibig sabihin ganun kalidad ang produkto po na Live Good. So we should be proud of it as a Live Good affiliate, as a member or a part of the family of Live Good. So again guys, ito po yung laman ng ating back office. And I wanna share you again, mamaya hihimay-himayin ko. Ito yung kabuuan. Hihimay-himayin ko mamaya yung bawat laman po nito para ma-familiarize po natin on a specific concern po natin. Kasi we have some other partners na hindi po nila alam kung paano gawin nga, paano nga ba gawin yung tawag dito? Paano nga ba nila tawag dito buksan or gamitin ang kanilang back office or yung landing page na nila kukunin. Okay, and for additional informations, mas maganda po na ma-familiarize po natin, punta ho tayo sa YouTube, and in here, yung Dream Makers po natin, yung Dream Makers, alalahanin po natin that we have all the trainings there. So, lagi natin pino-forward dapat po yan sa ating mga business partners in order for them to familiarize our business. So, it's here. I-click ko na lang po ito para hindi na ako maghanap sa doon sa dito sa YouTube. So, nandito po sa Dream Makers Worldwide, lahat po ng tutorial, ano po ang gusto nyong malaman about sa Live Good, lalo na itong The Power of Duplication. Nako, napakaganda po ng training na to. If you're already a member, you should watch this one. Ito po, Live Good, the Future of MLM. Napakaganda ang laman po niyan. Back office store, Live Good. Meron din pong ginawa si Coach Fernan. And of course, order your monthly subscription and Live Good using credit wallet. Mayroon po dyan. And of course, the frequently asked questions and Live Good, the product catalog, Live Good opportunity with powerful sharing of new platinum rank, registered on Live Good using credit card, registered on Live Good using credit wallet, how to set up Live Good wallet, and Live Good Complan, Live Good products, everything pack, and of course, Live Good opportunity na love at first sight ka ba sa Live Good? Ayan, Live Good opportunity Indonesia. So guys, as you can see here, tayo na lang po ang mag-exert ng effort for us to be able to fully understand how to do and build our empire here and Live Good. So once again, this is Coach Jericho Irinco, also known as si Daddy Jake TV. Thank you so much guys, and visit lang po tayo sa ating Daddy Jake TV channel para po ito po siya, no, si Daddy Jake TV, para po sa mga other informations that you wanna know about po sa Live Good. So ayan po si Daddy Jake TV, Ayan. So,
Hi
ang
guys! Alam ko
daddy
hindi
ng
nyo ako kilala
bayan.
dahil ngayon nyo pa lang
Ayan.
naman talaga ako
Ang
nakita.
ingay-ingay niya,
At
oh.
para lubusan nyo ako
Ayan.
makilala, all you need to do is to
Sige,
click the
pakinggan natin
subscribe
siya.
and the bell button para updated ka sa lahat ng mga ganapan ni Daddy Jake TV. If you're asking about the content of si Daddy Jake TV, this is all about personal lifestyle, travel, and of course, charity vlog. Nakafocus tayo sa charity vlog because naniniwala ako na ako, ikaw, tayong lahat ang magiging channel ng biyaya at pagpapala para sa ating kapwa. This channel is gonna be a channel of blessings to others. That's why I am inviting every one of you guys to join force with me to spread the love, the positivity, the light and hope, not only here in the Philippines, but of course, all over the world. So guys, samahan niyo po ako mag-subscribe kayo. Click the subscribe and the bell button para lahat tayo masaya. Good vibes tayo araw-araw. So guys, join force with me. Come on, let's go!
Okay, so yan, come on, let's go. So kung titingnan po natin from the very start pa lang po pala when I make this channel, mayroon na po talaga palang mayroon na po talagang deepest why I make this channel. So parang kung makikita natin, may direction, may purpose kasi ito na eh. So parang pre-provide ni God yung resources that we're gonna need for the charity, for the community service, in everything. But anyway, in the ad, ibang usapan po ito. Ang focus po tayo doon sa ating Live Good business guide presentation. So that's all about our back office. Pakishare na lang po sa lahat ng inyong partners para ho at least they will familiarize on how they're going to use their back office. So once again, this is Daddy Jake TV, ang daddy ng bayan, your gold in rank partner here in Live Good. And very, very soon, magiging platinum na po tayo and go to diamond po. Thank you so much and God bless everyone. Bye-bye! Hindi ko na pala pinala, hindi ko na pala pina... Okay, balik natin yung aking camera. Ayan, pasensya na guys kasi ano ho tayo. Nagsisimula pa lang ho tayong mag-ayos, mag-set up ng ating channel. So maraming salamat once again. This is Jericho Erico, also known as si Daddy Jake TV. Ang Daddy ng Bayan, saludo po ako sa masisipag na Live Good affiliate na talagang sunod-sunod ang pag-rank up. So wala pong sikreto dito sa Live Good. Ang gagawin nyo lang po, share your landing page, invite people to get into Zoom every day, and massive po yan. Get 10 people as your leader and help them to get another 10 and makikita nyo po ang great result. Lahat po magiging diamond. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. And ingat, enjoy your process of getting your dreams here and live good. Bye guys!